Yes, children, this is Vedugopal for Vikrant Publishers with Hindi Book 1. In the previous class, we have learnt the letters of the alphabet, Hindi Varnamala, Swar, Vyanjan, Samyukta Akshar. And in this class, we are going to learn Shabd, means words, और चित्र means pictures or figures. Shabd or chitra means by looking at the pictures and also the words which are formed by different alphabet. Okay, these shabd or words are formed by different letters of the Hindi alphabet. By looking at the picture, we learn how to write the word there. Padho or likho means read and write. Padho means read, or likho means write. Padho और सीखो, पढ़ो और सीखो, read and learn. We have to read and learn these words. And first see how this letter is formed. It is given there. A. It is just written like English letter, English number 3. A. From this letter A, this Vyanjan, 3 words are given with the pictures. Anar means pomegranate. See, A, Na, Ra. These 3 letters are combined to make a Hindi word, a word called Shabd in Hindi. हिंदी में इसको शब्द कहते हैं. अनार, pomegranate. अचकन, अ, च, क, न. These 4 letters of Hindi alphabet, Varnamala, we form one word called Achkan. Achkan means coat. Amrud. Amrud, it is the name of a fruit called guava in English. It is, so English translations, English meanings or English words of those Hindi words also are given there, children, in page number 5. In every page that we are going to go through or learn in this textbook, each and every Hindi word has got its English translation. Anar, pomegranate. Achkan, coat. Amrud, guava. Second letter, A. How is it pronounced, children? पढ़ो और सीखो. आ. आम. See, A, Ma. Am. What is am? Mango. In English, mango. हिंदी में आम. हिंदी में आग. आग, आग. English word is fire. Adami, admi, adami. 3 letters are combined here to form a single word called admi. Hindi mein admi, English it is man. Okay, children, this is how we learn the way of writing the letters of the alphabet. Padho और सीखो means read and learn. You have to read each and everything here and learn. I repeat these letters, children. A. There are 3 words given there. Anar, pomegranate picture is given. Achkan, coat. Amrud, guava. A. Am, mango. Aag, fire. Admi, man. Turn to the next page, children. Now, children, look at this. पढ़ो और सीखो. इसमें ई इन दोनों अक्षरों से बने हुए शब्दों को हम सुनते हैं. A first letter is E. Imali. Look at that. Imali. Imali means tamarind. You know tamarind, children? Yes. Imarata. Imarat. Building. Imarat. Building. Itra. Itra means scent. Itra means scent. This letter is E. Eek, sugar cane. Eent, brick. Eid, Eid festival. I repeat this, children. Repeat with me. E. E say eek. Eek माने sugar cane. Eenta, int माने brick. Eid, Eid festival. Okay, children, this is how we learn the different words. Imali, Imarat, Itra. Imali means tamarind, Imarat, building, Itra, scent. Eek, sugarcane, Eent, brick, Eid festival. Okay, children, let us go to the next letter now. Yes, children, now let us learn the words formed with the two letters U. Ullu. Ullu means owl. It's the name of a bird. Owl. It is pronounced as owl. Ullu, owl. Utaj. Utaja. Three letters are there in this. Utaj means hut. Upadhyay. Upadhyay means teacher. Okay, children? Ullu, owl, English. Utaj, hut, English. Upadhyay, Hindi, teacher, English. Oo. Look at this letter. Oo. Oon. Wool. Wool. Wool is a fabric, a kind of a thread. Wool. That is a short form of woolen. Udbatti. Incense sticks. You might have children in your house, you might have seen your mother or father lighting the incense sticks. Udbatti. Incense stick. Oont. Oont means camel. Camel, you know, children, it's a desert animal. Oont. Look at this. I repeat. Oon. English wool. Hindi udbatti. Hindi, English incense stick. Hindi में oont. In English camel. I repeat these letters again. Ullu, owl. Utaj, hut. Upadhyay, teacher. Oon, wool. Udbatti, incense stick. Oont, camel. Yes, children, let us look at the next letter. Yes, children, पढ़ो और सीखो में और दो अक्षर के फॉर्म बने हुए शब्द हमें पढ़ेंगे और सीखेंगे हियर. ऋषभ. Rishabh means ox. Ox you might have seen, children. Look at the picture there. This you find there in the farms or fields for tilling the land. Rishi, saint. Riksha. Riksha means bear. You know bear, children? It's a wild animal. Ox is a domestic animal. Bear is a wild animal, which has got hair all over its body. Black bear. री के बाद ए से एक. एक means one. एडी. AD means heel. What is called heel, children? The back part of your foot is called heel. The back part of your foot. That is called heel. You can see that there. AD, heel. Ayla. Ayla means cardamom. You know cardamom? Cardamom is a spice which is generally used there in making the tea tasty by adding the powder of this ayla, cardamom. Okay, children, let us repeat these words. Padho aur sikho. Re. This letter is re. Rishabh, ox. Rishi, saint. Riksh, bear. Ek, one. Edi, heel. Ayla, cardamom. Ayla means cardamom. I repeat, Rishabh, Rishi, Riksh, Ek, Edi, Ayla. Yes, children, this letter is pronounced I. Ainak. Ainak. Spectacles. You know, these are called spectacles. हिंदी में ऐनक बोलते हैं इसको. ऐनक. Spectacles. Airawat. Airawat. White elephant. Have you seen a white elephant, children? Do you see generally elephants in white color? No. This white elephant or Airawat is said to be there in paradise, in Swarg. Iron means earring or any ornament that you keep to your ear is called iron. Iron, earring. O. How is it pronounced? O. Padho aur sikho. Oakley. Oakley. Otukha. See, look at this, children. Oakley. Mortar. You know, you might have seen this Oakley in your house. Nowadays we have grinders. Oakley. Mortar. Ont. Lips. See, these are called lips. Ont. Os. Os means dew. What is DEW, dew? Generally in the winter season, children, you see some dew drops or drops of snow falling on the leaves of trees and around. The white drops of snow, they are called dew. That is in Hindi, it is called os. Look at the pronunciation again, children. This is pronounced as I. Ainak, spectacles. Airawat, white elephant. Iron, earring. O, Oakley, mortar. Ont, lips. Os, dew. Okay, children, let us go to the next letter now. Au. Look at this letter, children. It is au. O, au. औ से बने हुए शब्द वर्ड्स सीखो. औषध. औषध मीन्स मेडिसिन. औरत. औरत वुमन. औजार means tools. What are called tools, children? You can see that there. Hathaudi means a hammer is there, cutting plier is there, a screwdriver is there, a wrench is there. All these together are called tools. हिंदी में औजार कहते हैं. हिंदी में औजार. औषध मेडिसिन. औरत वुमन. औजार टूल्स. औ के बाद शब्द अम से अंगूर. अंगूर मीन्स ग्रेप्स. अंगूठी means ring. Anda means egg. I repeat these letters, children. You see, angur, grapes, anguthi, ring, anda, egg. Let us repeat these words again. Aushadh, medicine. Aurat, woman. Aujar, tools. Angur, grapes. Anguthi, ring. Anda, egg. Okay, children, let us go to the last letter now. Aha. Aha. स्वर में आखिरी अक्षर, वर्णमाला के स्वर में आखिरी अक्षर Aha. Aha is the last letter. Aha is pronounced as ha 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 ha. It's a big laugh. Other than that, with this letter aha, we don't find any words. That's why only one word is given there. With that, children, we come to the end of this lesson. And the blanks, padho aur likho, read and write, all these things you have to learn, practice. Look at the back pages. And the same way, in the next page, page number 12 also, there are some blanks, blank boxes are given. Complete those blank boxes and learn. Then next there are some pictures given. Make those pictures you have to identify their names. Okay, children, with that we come to the end of this session. Thank you.